2002 Hammer H2 instrument cluster repair, super bright white LED and the dome lights, blue LEDs, courtesy lights. We are in Chicago, Illinois. It's really cold in here. Blue right here, super bright upstairs and down. Blue LED instrument cluster. Instrument cluster repair with the blue needle tools. Are super bright. Remember, everybody, you can still dim in. We are here in Chicago. It's not 47. I don't think so. It's gonna be a little colder, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be 47.
I got 27.
That's that lion. Now. That was. Oh, also on this one I put the blue screen too. So we are here in Chicago. This is a couple jobs. I'm over here and visiting some family, and I get a customer, and he called me right away because he saw my videos on YouTube, and he say he want to do the same thing because I'm over here. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, and remember, if you like my video, please click and like. Thanks, and bye bye.